Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we are doing a comparison between Phant AI Video Maker and Vizard AI. Want to see which of them is best for you. Are you struggling to create eye-catching videos for your business or side hustle? Well, you need an AI video editor. But we are breaking down two of the hottest tools, and they are Phant AI Video Maker and Vizard AI. Want to see which one is cheaper, faster and better for your wallet. So let's get started. Let's see. We don't forget that this is Twoguysfinance and will help you find tools that make you money and save you time. And we need to crack the code on these two video editors because we know that they require cash. I want to help you break down and help you see which of them deserves your cash in 2025. First off, let's check their ease of use. Both of them are super simple, but Vizard has a slight edge, which is one-click repurposing feature. And you need a long video turned into short instantly. Vizard is the magic for it too. But for pure fun factor, Phant AI fights back. It gives you more control over your edits, text and styles. It's like having a pro editor in your pocket. Just type in what you want and it gives it to you. You detect. And it's always fun. Now, when we look at the finance question, what is the damage it will cause to your wallet? Well, Vizard often has a very compelling free plan to get you started, which is awesome for beginners. But Phant AI gives you free credits to start with, and then you have subscriptions for those power users. Those that need no advanced features without breaking the bank. So they are both great when it comes to your pocket. They are both great for your pocket. So let's look at it. I would say you should choose Phant AI if you're looking for fun social media videos that you can just create with just a few texts. And choose Vizard for speed and simplicity, also for creating short videos from long ones. So that's it. Don't forget that it's a kind of a slight learning curve for you if you're using Vizard compared to the Phant AI, but both of them save you money, and they save you money more than hiring an editor. So check them out, smash the like button if this was helpful, and subscribe for more tools that boost your bottom line. See you in the next video.